Listen, if you are asking God for many children, be careful what you are asking for, okay? If you are not ready, don't ask for it. But if you know you are ready, both physically, emotionally, financially, spiritually, you are ready to have more than 2 children, then go for it, because with this my 4, don't get me wrong, I'm blessed, I appreciate, I thank God for them, but you guys know that there is always a but. The work that comes with having 4 children, nobody told me about it. I used to see people with their children all lovey-dovey, you know, the kids will be looking so cute, but I never knew that it comes with a lot of work. I'm arranging this person's wardrobe today. The next day, another person's wardrobe is waiting for me. Another day, somebody's wardrobe is waiting for me. I have 5 beds to arrange. I have how many rooms to sweep. although my hubby does more of the sweeping and mopping more, but even at that, it's still a lot of work for me. I just came here to take some clothes to wash, because you guys can see obviously I have a lot of clothes to wash before the school resumes. So I came here to sort out the clothes that I needed to wash. I'm washing dark clothes today. After that one is already done, by the way, but I'm going to go spread them outside and then come back and sort out more clothes to wash. So I want to wash all the clothes before the school resumes. I hope so, because I keep saying I'll wash all of them and then I end up not doing all. But I came here to pick up clothes, or to sort out clothes to wash, and everywhere is looking, or was looking, because right now I've tried to put it in order, but everywhere was looking so horrible. I got so pissed off. I didn't know where to start from. I didn't bargain for this. So my wardrobe is always organized, my own. The way I organized it since we packed in here, that's how it has been. Because I take out clothes, I put it back the way, from that same position I take it out from. That way it stays organized. But my kids, they will take clothes, after wearing it, they will just throw it wherever they want. And I've warned and warned and warned. I'm tired, okay? So guys, this is the clothes I just finished washing now, and already I've done these ones here. I think they are dry. I'm going to check if they are dry. I'll take them, or my kids will take them inside rather, and spread out these ones. This one was my first load. The second load, I have the third load in the machine right now. So let the work begin. Where are they? Joshua and Favour, come here. So see what you guys will do. Favour will be packing the dry ones, while Joshua will be spreading these ones out. All right. Can you stop talking and do more work than talking? Let's do fast. We are not going to sleep here.
Is it good? Like. How should I do this? You remember before when we went to school and Daddy was at home? No, Daddy was at work. They stayed here to cook and all our clothes to sleep. You're touching this with stuff. You don't have time. I'll give you the house.
Who is ready to eat watermelon?
Me.
Yes, you are already queuing, so I know you want to eat. Guys, does this look weird? The other day I was feeding them. You can see how deep the thing is. Can you even see it from there? We have been eating from here. Instead of cutting it and slicing it, we choose to, you know, use our spoon to be scooping it, and it's so fun. So what they do is that they will line up just like they are doing now, and then I'll be giving them according to their height. So when I give you, you go to the back. Remember how we did it the other day? And they were the ones that came up with this idea of queuing. I was laughing so hard that day. So fun. If you get any seed, just remove it, okay? I can't stop laughing. Mommy, wait. Oh my god, this is so fun. And they are enjoying it. All work and no play makes us a dull family. If that is even right. Even me, I need to eat too. Not only you. Let me even taste one. Because he that walks supposed to shop.
Mommy, need to be you to eat first.
Okay. I should eat first, right?
Yes, and after
before you guys. You are right, blessing. Yes, very much right. Put hand on that. I don't want the water, the juice on the floor.
Well, it's already poured on.
Mommy, wait, this one is small. Let me give you another one. Yeah. Well done, Favor. Put hand in now. How many times will I say it? If this thing pour here again, you will go and clean it.
It tastes like strawberry almost.
It tastes like strawberry.
Yes.
Good for you.
Because the tea is juicy. I like yogurt.
Very juicy, I know. There's a lot of liquid inside.
Yes.
A lot of Jewish.
Mom, I brought it to sit out.
Oh yes. Go.
At least they're holding it.
See me, where I'm trying to help Favor. Bring tissue, please. Oh my Lord.